Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor of Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, in the Department of Graphic and Creative Design. Now we are going to see about the course name Dynamic Paradigm in Graphics and Gamings. In the third year, fifth semester, first unit we have 3D transformation. Now we are going to see the 3D transformation. What is 3D transformation? 3D transformation is the process of manipulating the view of a 3D object with respect to its original position by modifying its physical attributes through various methods of transformation like translation, scaling, rotation, shear, etc. In the 2D system, we use only two coordinates x and y, but in 3D, an extra coordinate z is added. 3D graphics techniques and their application are fundamental to the entertainment, games, and computer aided design industries. It is a continuing area of research in scientific visualization. The next is translation. The 3D transformation, the diagram we have x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, but in 2D dimension we have only x and y-axis. We don't have z, but in 3D we have 3 axes, x, y and z. This is the difference between the 2D and 3D transformation. The next is translation. In 3D translation, we transfer the x coordinate along with the x and y coordinates. The process of translation in 3D is similar to 2D translation. A translation moves an object into a different position on the screen. You can see the picture. The point of P is transferring to the P1. You can see the translation of an image from one place to another using the Z axis. The next is 3D rotation. 3D rotation is not same as 2D rotation. In 3D rotation, we have to specify the angle of rotation along with axis of rotation. We can perform 3D rotation about x, y and z axis. Here in the picture, the first one is rotating using the x axis. The second one is rotating using the y axis. The third one is rotating using the z axis. The next is scaling. You can change the size of an object using scaling transformation. In the scaling process, you either expand or compress the dimension of an object. Scaling can be achieved by multiplying the original coordinates of the object with the scaling factor to get the desired result. The next one is shear. A transformation that slants the shape of an object is called the shear. Like in 2D shear, we can shear an object along the x-axis, y-axis or z-axis in 3D. In the picture you can see the normal shape of an house, but in the shear we are enlarging the shape using the slanting. Thank you. I already told the 3D transformation contains 4 types. The first one is translation, scaling, rotation and shear. We already saw that 4 types of transformation. Now we can see in the diagram. The first one is 3D transformation contain three axes x, y and z. The next one is translation. We are moving the one object to some other position using the x coordinate or y coordinate or z coordinate, but we need to combine the two coordinates together. This is the translation. Next one is rotation. Moving an object using a single axis. One is x or y or z. Using any one axis we are rotating an image, that is 3D rotation. The next one is scaling. We are compress or expanding an object using an axis. You can see in the image the normal house, but it's expanded using the x-axis. This is the scaling. The next one is shear. We are slanting the particular object using x, y or z axis. You can see in the picture the normal shape of the house is slanted using the shear using x axis. Thank you.